This 2014 Redwood RV Redwood FL38 is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Sanger, Texas, 76266 and is offered for sale by McClain's Longhorn RV. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Redwood RV is 38 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 4, slide-out, TV, oven, awning, leveling jacks, microwave, spare tire kit, smoke detector, air conditioning, skylight, and 104 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this fifth wheel features front entertainment, front living area, mid-kitchen, rear bath, rear bedroom. The unloaded weight of this 2014 Redwood RV Redwood FL38 is 13,904 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.